Imagine every single moment you've ever captured, every little memory you treasure, that college reunion, your daughter's first steps. What if your hard drive crashes and you lose all these memories? Imagine that the most vital data on your company server gets corrupted because of a ransomware or a drive failure. And if you can't recover in time, your business is at stake. The mere thought is as terrifying as it is real. You need an expert who gets your life back in action, whether you are an individual or a multinational enterprise. Introducing Stellar, India's leading professional data care company, serving your data concerns with innovation, trust and care for over 25 years across the world. We began with a team of 3 visionaries. 25 years later, we are a brigade of over 400 data saviors working with 8,000 plus partners. Rising from a single unit of data recovery, we now boast of an award-winning portfolio of over 100 DIY software and services across data recovery, erasure, repair and migration. At Stellar, we are what we do. We promise to recover up to 100% of your vitals with a stellar touch. Our award-winning DIY data recovery software, created by a dedicated team of over 100 engineers, are products of constant innovation and evolution over a period of 25 years. While we recover and manage the life cycle of your data, we also address the clear and present danger of data leakage while disposing of legacy assets with our eco-friendly and certified Erasure solution. Every employee at Stellar works towards a singular mission: to get your digital life back in action and your smile back in full stretch. Our one-of-its-kind Class 100 clean room labs are designed with consideration to every minute detail, from automated microdust screening to static charge shielding. We ensemble an environment to resemble the production conditions of your hard drive, thereby ensuring that your data remains unharmed. We boast an unparalleled inventory of donor drives to deliver quick remedies for every possible damage to your storage device. And with a combined industry experience of over 300 man-years, our data saviors strive constantly to set new benchmarks of success. With a commanding presence in the Americas, EMEA and APAC, we have tended to the data needs of over 3 million satisfied users across 190 plus countries. We celebrate star-studded customer ratings on Google and Trustpilot for our endeavors in data care. We are not only a brand, but a triumph of Indian engineering on the global landscape. We are made in India for the world, and our cutting-edge solutions cater to the data needs across the entire globe. As we evolve, we care and protect what matters the most for you. Whatever be your need, we are here for you. So whenever you think of data, think Stellar.